Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video that I'm making this morning, and it's to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop, and it is for this beautiful drum just here. Now this is an 18-inch buffalo skin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. If I turn it over, we've got a horse chestnut branch handle on the back here, and it's laced with artificial sinew. On the inside of the frame, I've burnt a little bit of information in. Burst on the 14th of December 2022 in Knighton Powys, UK, and that's to enable you to look up the astrological aspects of the drum and find out what energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed, if that's your thing. I've also put ash and buffalo, and that's the way we've got that reference point for the materials that we used moving forwards, and I put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm going to play with two beaters. This is a softer beater. I've got a firmer beater as well there, which I'm going to use halfway through, swap over, and that's to give you an idea of the different sound textures they produce. Either one of those are available to buy alongside the drum if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So here we go. Let's start with the softer beater. Lovely and gentle. Oh, here we go. This is a firm beater now. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your shamanic drum online, and that's very difficult, so it's great to be able to hear, and that's why we make these little videos. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.